shit. Yeah, probably not.
Okay, alright. Just give me a jingle when you're halfway out here.
Sounds good.
Okay.
See you
Talk to
soon.
later.
Yep. Bye. Fuck. I can either bank my money on he has the right keys, or I can spend probably fucking $80 on shit. This is our 1958 Buick, but it just looks like a GMC S15 pickup truck right now.
The OG Oregon plates. It's 89. See, what did I tell you about orange and yellow products? It's the good stuff. As soon as I see red, it's bad. Unless it's Milwaukee. Oh, yep. See, don't walk too far.
6 feet or some shit. Or is that how far they bury people?
Oh, shit. Why is that funny?
Alright, bring it forward a little bit.
Huh?
Forward.
You got tension. Are you in 4? All right, go, 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 go.
Yeah, some sort.
Look at that, there's one right here.
Oh, that the arm is sitting too low in the ground and I couldn't hook it up to the front of this thing. Yeah, put a board or something like that, or no, just tip that one on the side. Put it, no, rotate it. There you go.
Yeah. Nice. A little bit more. Okay. All right, pull a little bit. Okay.
Okay, go.
Go ahead. Stud Snapper 3000 right here. Ugh. I need me a 19. I can tell because it's used the most. You ain't gotta look at it. Look at that. You ain't gotta look at it. Pittsburgh special. Can fuck up the anvil on these, but done worse. Definitely not a 19. You know what? I think it might be time for a water break.
Well, at least hold as long as it's full close.
It fucking blows as soon as we put it on there.
I know, right?
Put it down and poof!
Make sure this bad bitch has 45. Watch the tires aren't gonna fit on here. This jack.
we go. Woo!
Oh, the board cracked.
Oh shit! You don't see that when you're standing next to it. Oh! There she goes.
Keep holding some more.
Well, a little update. We jacked it up and the bitch slid. I don't know if you can see, we're halfway off this wood over here. And we got that way because we had to come over here with the fucking bottle jack and the bitch fell over.
What?
Me and Jimmy are pressed up against the plane trying not to fucking die.
I know, you see the sparks come out from it?
Nice.
Okay.
Hold. Oh, whoa, whoa. Come back. Our knot came undone. Woo! Come on, baby! Yeah! You can't even see. You got brakes? That's so nerve-wracking. Can't even see him. I could run him over and he'd be like, good, good, I'm good. All right, bud, what you think?
I think we'll put it in the gravel right here.
You want to push it?
We can try it.
This thing's primo, bro.
Yeah, not too bad, right? I just see positive camera as I'm driving. Like, that's why I said this thing is fucking long.
Holy shit. What window, bro?
For real, what fucking window?
I love the mirrors just chilling.
I know, the fucking...
Like, I'll get to it.
The rear views are...
Is that a dirt dauber, bro?
It's disgusting is what it is.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Let's go for it.
All day. Ray Lewis, baby. Ray Lewis, baby. God damn. Hit the e-brake. Ray Lewis, baby. All day.